Hello, this is Sebastian
And this is Rajesh.
from Belt Course. Let's now go over the preview for the Achieving Stability Problem Solving Simulation exercise. Hopefully, you're already going through this module and you're looking forward to this group coaching call. In this call, you'll get to practice some more complex hands-on skills that will be very useful for bigger projects to solve harder problems and create stable processes. Here are the objectives of this call. To practice project management skills and problem-solving methodologies that are a little more complex, and that are very effective with a team. You'll be able to make various types of sustainable improvements in our Beltcorp simulated plant to bring much-needed stability. You'll see the impact of projects, and how to plan, execute and hand off sustainment to the process owners. After the exercise, you'll be ready and energized to lead any type of project in your organization. Same format as previous calls. An introduction, a confirmation of the roles and scenarios, then the actual simulation exercises, and then ending with some debriefing and discussion. So let's jump into an overview of the roles and scenarios you could choose to lead. As usual, you can choose to practice the ones you need the most, and we'll do them in a group setting. The first scenario. For one of the opportunities identified during the previous simulation exercise, one that's most related to you, you would charter a project using the ideal methodology, meaning a DMAIC, Kaizen, A3, or just do it. Part of the exercise would also be to build the financial template to estimate or calculate project savings.
This would ideally be led by any improvement leader or project leader. It could also be led by a sponsor or a cost deployment member, so that they can practice the scoping and financial aspects as well.
We might have multiple projects handling various problems in this simulation. So we'll probably break into groups. One of the projects could be around a quality incident and root cause corrective action. If that's the case, then a leader or member of quality management would lead a team through the 8D and corrective and preventive action process. Another problem could be related to improving the changeover process. Then a leader or member of the supply chain management pillar, or other pillars that can make these types of improvements, can lead the team through a quick changeover project. For any of these or other projects identified for your team, any leader can also come up with an action plan and prepare a quick presentation to report out to a pillar leader or focused improvement leader.
Teams may also be able to go ahead and make the improvements to the Beltcorp plant right away.
But we will have to keep the rest of the plants informed. So each pillar leader would prepare or update their deployment A3, and prepare a quick presentation to report out in the steering committee meeting. The steering committee will want to know that each project leader has ensured and handed off sustainment responsibility to the process owner. So each leader could prepare a quick presentation to cover that for their project completed and communicate how you're ready to close the project.
This would be a quick report out to your pillar leader or to the focused improvement leader.
In the meantime, ideally a daily management system leader, as they learn about all these improvements and how we will sustain them, would work with those leaders to create or update a layered process audit schedule, and share it with the team.
This exercise can also be interactive with a quality management, safety and environment, 5S workplace organization, autonomous maintenance, machine reliability, or focused improvement leader leading or contributing to the exercise.
And the other scenario, which could happen at any time during the simulation, is a wildcard, one for anything else that wasn't covered or that someone needs to practice. And there is our quick preview. It will be very interactive and dynamic, and you'll get to practice these critical skills that will help you lead and sustain any project. And it will be very open-ended, which is great for developing complex skills. We're looking forward to it. So, go and complete the lessons that you need in preparation, and then you'll choose what you'd like to practice. Let's sustain those improvements and achieve stability in your Belt course.